In this problem, we're told that the test statistic of z equals negative 3.26 is obtained when testing the claim that p is less than 0.24. So we see that this is a left tail test because our alternative hypothesis is going to be p is less than 0.24. And so my test statistic is falling out here a little bit beyond negative 3. So we label our horizontal axis. Oops, here we go. 1, 2, 3. Then we've got our test statistic way out here. And in part A, it says, using a significance level of alpha equals 0.1, find the critical value or values. Since this is a left tail test, there's only one critical value, and we can find that by using the inverse norm function on the calculator. So we have inverse norm of 0.1, because that's the area to the left, and the mean is 0, standard deviation is 1, and so we have our critical value is negative 1.28. So we just round that to 2 decimal places usually. And I'm going to mark that here. So just a little bit beyond negative 1. And the critical value is telling us what the rejection region is. So my rejection region is from the critical value into the tail. And so my question is now, are we rejecting the null hypothesis or not rejecting the null hypothesis? So in this case, we're going to reject the null hypothesis because our test statistic is falling in that rejection region. Okay, so our final decision is to reject the null hypothesis. And that's the end of that problem.